Hello and welcome to this edition of the Telescope Makers Workshop. My name is Francis O'Reilly and I'm here to discuss my review of Amateur Telescope Making Book 2, also known as Amateur Telescope Making Advanced. This book is edited by Albert Ingalls for Scientific American and was published in the 1950s with a compendium of knowledge of telescope makers at that time. It contains a number of chapters on various esoteric subjects beyond the normal telescope making matters. It starts with technique, using subdiameter tools, metal mirrors and flats, astigmatism, optical testing, flats by Selby, how to make rouge, small lenses, oculars, various parts of the refractor telescope, objective lens for a target scope by Kirkham of Dall-Kirkham It also teaches how to test convex surfaces, how to make a diagonal for a Newton by a big name also, Hindle, how to make setting circles, and molding and casting. It follows with a portion for the rifleman making small lenses, the Schmidt camera, making a synchronous clock, something I don't think we really need to worry about in these days of digital, and also research with our instruments and photography. This book is really an advanced, mid to advanced amateur's guide. It's a very good book. I've not read it cover to cover, but I've read everything in it in bits and pieces. I highly recommend this book even in 2009, even being over 50 years old since its last entry was made, because it contains an awful lot of practical knowledge. I use it extensively while I'm making optical flats. I find the references in it to be extraordinarily helpful, the information to be useful, and relatively well organized and indexed. Amateur Telescope Making Volume 2 was published by Scientific American but is no longer published by them. Wilman Bell has purchased the rights and has updated and reorganized it, and you may buy a copy from Wilman Bell. However, a copy of the original is available on Amazon.com or eBay. If you're a telescope maker, I highly recommend this book. I recommend that you buy it.